Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Pato and today I'm going to show you how to download and install WinRAR for Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to click on the first link in the description, and that will take you to the official download page by RAR Lab. And WinRAR is created by RAR Lab, so this is totally safe. So on this page there's a lot of different things, so you may not understand everything, but that's why I would recommend you just scroll down for a little bit until you find this here, the localized WinRAR versions. So these are the different kinds of WinRAR versions and languages. And since I want an English version of WinRAR, I will download the English version. As you can see here, there are two different types of the English version, the 64-bit, but also the 32-bit. So most computers run with the 64-bit, but some use 32-bit. So if you don't know what you have on your computer, then go down here and search for System Information. So if you look up here to the right of system type, you can see the bitrate of your computer. And here you can see that my computer is a 64-bit based PC. So when you know this, close out of this and choose the version with the right bit for you. And since mine is 64-bit, I am going to take the 64-bit. That will instantly start to download, and in some occasions our computer will give us a warning that this type of file can harm our computer. But since we can see that this is actually our winrar.exe file, we're going to click on keep. So now just click on the file and allow their permissions. So this is the WinRAR setup. Up here you can see the destination folder where WinRAR will be installed. But if you want to change that, you can click on browse and then from here change the destination. But since I don't care, I'm just going to ignore this. Alright, so then you just need to read through the license agreement, but yeah, let's be honest, no one reads it. So just click on install and after that this will pop up. So this is a setup screen where you can change different types of settings. So for example, if you want a shortcut for WinRAR, just press on add WinRAR to desktop. And then here's a lot of different settings, but for most people you do not need to care about this, so just press on OK. So as you can see, WinRAR was now successfully installed on my computer and it is ready to use. So just press on done and this is going to pop up. So this here is just the original download location, as you can see up here. And here you can read through the manual, but also what's new in the latest update. And here you can get help with WinRAR. As you can see, you can read about different things. And then here is just the original app for WinRAR. But anyways, that is all for this video. Be sure to comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you next time.